So here we are at Truckfest Peterborough once again, and this year we've got the new generation DAF XG Plus, and as you can see, people are queuing, they're liking what they see and they want to get inside the cab. It's been a real spectacular, it is the star of the show this year, the XG Plus, the biggest cab on the European market, more space, more comfort, improved fuel efficiency, up to 10% reduction in fuel consumption, and improved direct vision to improve safety. The best truck on the market today in the UK.
It's nice, it's comfortable, you can see a hell of a lot more with the cameras.
Just the ergonomics, the space, the fact that you've gone away from the old style and actually done something completely different. Even just sat like this, just feels nice and comfy.
Oh, it's lovely, yeah, I like it, definitely.
You can see by the aerodynamics and stuff, you know, that's going to do well for that, so yeah, brilliant.
It's nice, I like it. It's something different, a bit new.
The space, you've got ample amount of space. It's definitely a good step forwards.
To celebrate the Start the Future launch of the new generation DAF, we commissioned artist Ian Cook of Pop Bang Colour to paint the truck on canvas in his own unique style, using remote control cars and trucks.